So welcome to you all to this Vastu World session where I am trying to give you some insight on something which I have researched and where I am trying to work on since long. As we have already seen a very strong impact of corona as a virus, and it has affected a lot of people, and some people are still suffering from it, and I have few students who are in the session in the process of getting themselves out of this virus. So today on this timeline, because this is a very strong and fundamental issue which we are all suffering, I have thought that I should give you some insight of what I have been researching on and working, and this is where I am now. So there are a lot of good things and bad things which has happened in this last 1 year with all of us. People have suffered a lot, and people have are still suffering. So I am in this process where I'm trying to give you something where we need to understand that this particular understanding of coronavirus or any pandemic or any specific disease which we are right now facing and in future will face, as a human, as a universal being, we all need to connect ourselves to the core of what exactly is happening. It is not just a virus which is affecting us. It is not just the small cellular information which has come from outside and then affecting our body and then trying to create a metabolic changes in our cells and in our tissues and then affecting our lungs and then letting us not breathe. It is not only that, there is something else which is associated with this particular problem, which is related to your mind. So today I am going to be talking to you about something which we call life force, and life force within and around. So we are all part of this prana communication, prana inside us, prana outside us. All these prana energies are affecting us in a different way, and we are all getting associated with a virus which also has a prana. We are all trying to dodge ourselves, taking vaccine, putting mask, not getting out, staying in lockdown for some prana which is a part of the universe, which is existing. And this prana, this universal energy is now affecting us, the other prana, which is we as human. And how does it happen? So life is in nature, life is in bird, the sun, the moon, a child laughter, a friend's cry, a fight, a hug, a life is in peace. In wars, in poetry, in lust, in sadness, it is everywhere. And this pran is everywhere. So how this pran now is becoming a big pandemic to us, because we are being part of this universal consciousness is long, and how it is going to be affecting us. The most beautiful and the profound emotion we can experience is a sensation of mystical, and there is mysticism involved in it. So this corona, this virus, this COVID, this not breathing, having breathlessness, having issue in your lungs is all mystic. It is all related to the sensation, emotions, and this emotion is part of you, and you are getting disturbed by a certain emotion which is coming from outside. And this emotional impact is not only your body, it is gone into your system. So when you are born in Jainism, what we talk about, as soon as the person dies, the same second, the same minute of a second, the samay, one samay is the division of a second where it cannot be divided. That is one samay. That minutest time when a person dies, the Atma, which takes the energy into Karmiki and Tejas. Karmiki is the pre-coded information in your Atma, in your soul. And Tejas is the magnetic energy which takes you from one body to another body. And that Atma goes to the Sharir. It finds out the Sharir, it finds out the body. And that body can be a plant or an animal or a small Ek Indriya to Panchindriya. Or you are lucky, then this Atma can go to the another human. And then from Sharir it goes, as soon as the Atma founds a Sharir, a body or a plant or an animal or a seed or an embryo, then it creates the Pran inside. and that is the energy matter to run the body. And that particular pran, when the body is run and body is formed, it creates a man. Man is the feeling and emotion, and this feeling and emotion is the culprit, which is making us sad, which is making us fearsome, which is not letting us concentrate on our own prana. We are concentrating on what is coming from outside, how the world is behaving. There is no oxygen, there are no hospitals, there are no bed, there is this, there is that. The news is creating a lot of negative emotion in our man. And then this man, with the pumping of 21 days or 21 days of 22 days of information, it becomes a habit. रोज आप देखते हैं, रोज you are looking into the news and you are seeing so many people dying. This is doing, it is a political motives. America is doing this, China is doing this. A lot of things are happening, and when it goes to your mind for and it hampers and affect your mind for long, then it becomes a part of your buddhi. It becomes a consciousness and stored in your mind. This fear of corona, this pandemic, this problem, you will be dying. Everybody will go to the stand in a line 6 a.m. to get a vaccine. This is all buddhi, this is consciousness and subconsciousness. And then when it is stored in the buddhi, then it has become a chit. It has become a part of the inner source where the mind is not involved. So let's not take this prana, let's not defect the prana, and let's not issue a negative vibration to the man. And as soon as man is not issued and man has thrown away the information, it will never form a buddhi. And then your chit, your inner peace, your mind will be as pure as your atma. And that is the core. That is the core of prana inside the body. So we talk about sharir, prana, man, buddhi, chit, atma, physical, energetic, bioenergetic thoughts, conscious and subconscious, inner body, inner source. And then there are senses who are letting us think, letting us take. If you see the news on your TV, you will get the information through your eyes, and then you store from your ears, and then it becomes a part of the body to resource and spread in the soul. To reach to the mind, you need to work on your senses, which is your identity. And that is where we are now coming into. Okay, so this is the process of understanding body, mind, and atma, the soul which is dead, soul which is alive, soul which is everywhere. So if somebody goes from your house, or somebody goes from your vicinity, or somebody dies in your family or around you, then what you need to do is think about the person. Let the vibration be in your body, because the person, the sharir is always dying, but atma is amar. The chit, the man, and the buddhi is always there. Feel the vibrations, and that is what I'm trying to do. Your identity is you, and you, your being, and that is what the metaphysics talks about. So I'm trying to tell you and let you go towards the process where we use this S3 gold antenna. Today is the talk on S3 gold antenna, but I'm giving you a small preview of how S3 gold antenna works with you, because you are part of it. You cannot run away. You are always there. Your body goes away, but your soul is there. And if your soul is there, then the body is a part of it if you are still alive. And if you still have a pran, and pran is breathing. Okay, so your identity is you, and you are the being. And this metaphysics is after physics. Why? You have to ask the question, why and how? An exploration of the most fundamental aspects of mind and universe. It says just be. Its main concept is to be perceived, to perceive reality. What is known as the metaphysics is what Aristotle called the first philosophy. Metaphysics involves the study of universal principle of being, the abstract quality of existence itself, and existence is always there. It was always there. भगवान ने दुनिया नहीं बनाई, दुनिया पहले से ही थी, भगवान बाद में आए. Universe was there, existence was always there. Nobody created. We are all drashta, we are all seeing, we are not creators. Creation was already there, we are all looking into it, we are the observers. So हम करता नहीं है, हम दृष्टा है, हम देख रहे हैं, हम समझ रहे हैं. We are trying to see what exactly is happening, and everything in universe is all together. That's what I'm going to talk to you in future. Metaphysics is the study, misinterpreted as the alternative science, but it is the terms of spirits and ghosts, mystical and unknown. This is something which we called very strongly as cognitive archaeology. Amazing word. Cognitive archaeology is something which is the brain, which brain has bought in. And when I go to a site, take the antenna, and then start measuring the energy, sometimes on the land, on the house, inside the people, vibration, I get the metaphysical information of their cognitive and archaeology. That means the historical burden, everything which has been there. and which has been stored inside the body and inside the land as a geopathy and geovibration, or as the Vastu dosh inside the Vastu. Your house absorbs the vibration, your walls have that, the whole vibrations are always there in cognitive. The mind absorbs it. Cognitive is the understanding of spaces through the mind, and your mind has the vibration to feel the unseen, intangible things which we don't see. We feel it, we vibe, understand it, and we analyze it. And as soon as we analyze it, we try to evaluate, then we evaluate, and then we create. So understand happens when you remember, when you actually have the memory. So when you store things in your mind, you remember, then you start to understand, and as soon as you understand, you start to analyze it. Analysis will take you to the evolution, and evolution will ultimately take you to the, after evaluating it properly, when you analyze anything, you evaluate. Evaluation path, you come to the creation, and the creation is you yourself. So the best way to know God is to understand how life and universe work, and that work of God itself is God always there. We just need to open our eyes. So we accept this intangible energy of mobile phones. We accept that your mobile phone is connected to some thing which is coming from one device to another device, or from one antenna to another antenna, because of electromagnetic radiation. We accept the technology because we see it, but we find it very difficult to accept the invisible human energies. Why can't we see the invisible energy? Why can't we feel the invisible energy? When a person goes away, the energy remains. And why can't we work on certain system where we feel the energies of people who have left us, in difficult time, who have left us in this particular situation, and we are missing them. And as soon as we are missing them, we are trying to find out where they have gone. And when they have gone somewhere, can my laser antenna measure it? Can my laser antenna decode it? Can I understand these invisible human energies? Yes, I can. So there are 4 sutras. Jainism has given the 4 sutras. There is only misery in this world, because karma is always misery. Anything you do, you are creating a misery. Misery is not negative. Misery is letting you come up and see the world in a true way. The cause of misery is karma. The remedy of karma is jnana. And to acquire a jnana, you need to dhyan. You need to do dhyan. You need to close your eyes. So what are we trying to do? We need to create a dhyan using this laser antenna. With S3 gold antenna, you are trying to understand the universal pattern of misery, which is ultimately a source of happiness. Because everything which is karmic is misery. And misery is always not negative. It is also letting you see the truth. As soon as you speak, you are telling lie. And your शब्द जैसे बाहर निकलते हैं वो झूठ हो जाते हैं. That is karma. So ध्यान करने में, how do you get it? So whenever you are doing a dhyan, you are using this instrument now. Dhyan is not closing your eyes and doing meditation, because that is not possible for everybody. So why can't we use our brain and understand the S3 gold laser antenna, and then use a process to create a metaphysical vibration around us, and then connect to the intangible human energy which is gone, which has left us, and which is not only left us from this house to another house, or from one city to another city, it has left us in the world alone. And you are now searching for these people. Where are they? And how they have left you. And then that energy is what we need to work on. So 4 pillars. Atmavad, Atma exists. Karmavad, Atma and Karma interacts. Kriyavad, there is a procedure to purify Atma and Karma. You can also identify, not only purify, because Lokavad says that truth is interwoven in the universe. And this is something amazing Jainism has given us. And this is what we are trying to decode today, that the whole universal science is, this is not only Jainism, this is universal science. Atmavad means everything has the power to interact, and that is the universal truth. Okay, do you know, every time when we talk about quantum field, let's go to the understanding of S3 gold antenna, because it is the machine, it is the instrument which works on psychodynamic dowsing. And when we are talking of psychodynamic dowsing, we are talking of a very strong information of Schumann resonance. Most of the Vastu students who are attending today, and the new people, for them Schumann is the essence of earth vibration, which is the vibration of creativity, the frequency of life is Schumann. and this Schumann frequency is 7.83 hertz. And every 7.838, now this, just try to understand this number. Every 7.8 times per second, you are in and out of the quantum energy field. That means in 1 second, somewhere around 7 to 8 times, you come into one energy field and go to another energy field. And there are millions of energy field around you. So what are you trying to do? You are right now in your own energy field after 7.8, in 7.8 second times per second. In 1 second, you go to another energy field. And then within that second, you go to third energy field, then the fourth energy field, fifth energy field. And in each energy field, you are disappearing and appearing. You are getting the information, you are throwing the information. Your body is giving the vibration, taking the vibration. So we are more stronger than these mobile phones. We are more stronger than this internet connectivity, 4G, 5G, 6G, whatever. We have the Schumann frequency of quantum energy. And if we understand our brain and let it become a part of the body, which is consciousness, and let's, when we start thinking that how this pandemic, how these things are affecting me, then you are trying to decode the information coming to you. And is it possible? Is it possible that without vaccine, without any specific thing, can I take care of my own self and let not this virus, this corona thing, and this second strand or the third strand affect me? Can we do this? And if it is going to be affecting me, it is going to first affect my etheric body, outer body of mine. That is my subconscious and conscious body. So it is going to be somewhere away from me, and then it will affect me. So can I use my brain to decode that? Can I use this consciousness? So this is what I'm trying to tell you today. Quantum brain is a wonderful subject. Try to learn about it. Try to see that if you control your brain, if you're not in this fear psychology of the world, of the politicals, information of pharma industry, or people who want to sell you the information and make you scared that you will die and then you will buy things and then you will get a vaccine or other things and then you start trying to get controlled by the world. So instead, can we control ourselves with our own brain? And where does this happen? This consciousness happen where? Where is this? Where is my mind? And this mind and this chit. So, आपका मन, आपका चित्त, आपकी बुद्धि, ये है किधर? Where is this existing? So, your inner body, your outer body, your upper mind, your inner mind, your conscious body, subconscious body, and your unconscious body. Where are they? What is the meeting point between the intangible realm of thought and awareness that constitutes our internal subjective experience and the electrically charged biochemical soup of the brain? Brain is just a physical thing, but brain is not the man. It has the chit and the buddhi. Buddhi and chit are the different aspect of the brain, which you call sometimes conscious mind, subconscious mind. So we are only looking at the physical brain right now. We are only looking at the physical lung, and that physical lung doesn't exist. When you don't breathe, the physical lung goes away. It takes the body away. You are gone. But then the energies are there. Subconscious mind is still there, and that is where we need to work upon. So we talk about quantum Buddha, the Buddhist, the information which is there always. And this conscious information is roaming around. You need to go into that energy field because every 1 second you change in 7.8 times. Go to the energy field of your loved ones, people who have left you, and then go into that conscious energy and then close your eyes or use an S3 gold antenna and feel. Try to connect with the frequency. Everybody has an individual frequency. We all live and die with the frequency. And frequency doesn't go away. Only physical body goes away. The frequency remains because that's the part of your Atma, which is your energy body. Okay. So is the brain quantum? I don't have any idea. I don't want to talk about it. But I want to tell you that there is something happening. Something inside my head is connecting to a super highway of information independent of time and space. And that is called quantum. So there is no time, there is no space, there is no physical body, there is no, I can see nothing because the person or the energies have departed. But I can still feel, I can still go to that super highway of information and find out what and where is it? And that information which has gone suddenly from this universe, leaving the unwanted, doing a lot of things which was supposed to be completed and incomplete things, the vibrations are still moving around. And we are supposed to be decoding it. And I am working on that. So To process this, you need to improve your sensitivity. You need to understand that there is something called radiation which has to be perceived, and that is called perception. So radiation and perception is called anesthesia. I've taken a lot of workshops. You can go to vastuworldlearning.com and learn what anesthesia is, what psychodynamic dowsing is, and that is where we are trying to connect each other. Okay, and this is the art. It is the science of using the vibrational field of human body to access information about other objects of animate and inanimate nature by establishing the resonance with their energy fields. So in this particular science, this particular system, do we need to have the physical body? No, physical body is gone, but a vibrational field is still there of that human body, which is gone. And can I use the instrument? Can I focus myself? Can I go to that realm of information deep into that particular energy field and find out what is missing? What that person wanted to tell, what that person wanted to do who has gone untimely from this universe because of certain reasons. But there are a lot of things which is there in the mind. We are full of ideas, we are bundle of ideas, we are packed full of ideas, and everybody is. So when you are departing, when you are dying, when you are unsteadily, you have an accident or you have some kind of issue, your ideas doesn't go away, it's still there. And that information is then floated in this universal consciousness, and we need to go and create a resonance. And as soon as we create a resonance, we start getting the information. And this is the science. I'm not talking any mumbo jumbo. I'm talking about resisthesia as a science. You can use a pendulum, you can use a dowsing rod, but S3 gold antenna is the most advanced tool. And that's what we are trying to use. Okay, and this is what I want to inform you today, that S3 gold antenna can be used to decode information through your mind. It can increase the mental sensitivity 10 times when you use the psychodynamic dowsing principle by S3 gold antenna and then go ahead. Okay, so it is something unique, something extraordinary. There are different qualities, different systems. I don't want to go into that detail, but new people who are joining us first time and they don't know what S3 gold antenna, it is something extraordinary. It has inductive quality, capacitive quality, semi-conductive quality. You can go to the spiritual realm, as what I've just told you. You can go to subconscious to conscious body through antenna and go into that information. And that information is not easy to decode with the naked body or naked eyes. You need a tool. S3 gold antenna has inductive, spiritual, and capacitive. ISC. Inductive is for the body, but body is gone, departed. Then go to the spiritual. If the person is connected to the spiritual content and he is a good deeds, but if not, then go to the conscious. Capacitive. Capacitive is something which is you don't see, intangible. It is a thought. It is the mystery. It is something gone. It is mystical. I can't see it, but I can still use a capacitive switch and find out what is happening in this universal realm and what are the fundamental information left over by the person who is gone or person who is going to go. Person not dead, but going to be, and he's suffering in the last couple of weeks or months or years. They also release information, and through capacitive, you can find out. But if a person is a saint, person is a good person, he has a good karma, and it is something related to God or something related to spirituality, then you can use S. And then switch can be changed, and the frequencies can be up down by this cursor. And then we have a polarization. We need to understand universal. Most of the time, everything is universal because what is happening here is happening there. That can be bad or this can be bad. That can be good or this can be good. There is no good and bad. Everything is yin and yang, day and night. Everybody has their own function. But sometimes you want to understand that today, is this energy negative? Then go to the left polarity. Left polarity is something which is anti-clockwise, which is not letting you connect to it. There is a disconnection. Anything which is disconnected, but there is no communication, that is negative. And right polarity is always communicative. It is good. It is clockwise movement. So anything you want to check with your antenna, is this good or bad? Should I buy this house? This land is good for me. Left and right polarity is going to give an answer. This is not mental resisthesia, it is physical resisthesia. That's why you don't ask questions. Questions are answered by just switches. So use the antenna on the L, and if it gives you a dip, that means it is not good for you. There is no communication happening. Put a switch on R, and if you get a dip, this is good. And if you don't know good or bad, put it on U, you get a dip and get into it. And if your conscious energy, if your 6.4, your oracle information is good, then you will find it that you can see it. Okay, so that is the polarization. Then there are a lot of processes where we talk to people, we try to get the information of the client, use different protocols, different sheets. We have a protocol sheets which is there in the manuals of S3, and then we find out systems. And then you prepare yourself. You prepare yourself with all these processes. Then you have rectification tools, then solutions which I'll be showing you right now to control your mind, to control your essence of living. And then these solutions, if you put in your house near your dear ones, if you are in a hospital, put it there. If you have a friend who is not suffering or who is suffering from corona, give them a particular tool so their immunity, their system increase. But believe one thing, irrespective of all, if the karmic energy is not associated, not aligned, and if there is the information which is bound to take that person away from you, then that person will go away, irrespective of what you're trying to do. So create a peace in the surrounding. Let people go when they have to go. Let people come when they have to come. We cannot control the destiny of life and death, but we can tune up the vibrations to make people happy while going and make people happy while coming. And that is the vibration we need to work upon and try to associate and disassociate with the energies. Okay, and that is what the purpose of S3 Gold Laker antenna. It is good for mental peace. We have a cosmic energy 1.5, global energy 4.3, telluric energy, bioenergy is electrical, so many things. There are 26,000 frequencies you can measure, and there are different switches. You can use the switches to make the antenna more strong. So we have different switches, different processes, and these processes and switches ultimately help you understand it in a different way. Okay, so this is the basis of S3 Gold Laker antenna. Yin and Yang switch gives you male and female. Acoustic switch gives you sound vibration of intangible energies, which is gone. If you want to go into the realm of people who are dead and people who have gone away from your near source, then use acoustic switch. Acoustic switch and get into the spiritual or capacitive mode, and then find out and jump into that vibration of a person who has left. And then you will start finding acoustics helps you for all the frequencies below 20 and above 20,000 hertz. Okay, so people who have left you, people who are going to be who are not near you, they are in different cities and different countries. You can use acoustics which connect to their vibration and see what is happening in this vibrational field, not physical field, because physically you cannot connect. Okay, so these are the basis. Now I'm going to show you some amazing microscopic picture of coronavirus. So National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease have told this virus is 03, and this is a microscope, electron microscope of virus which is going into our lungs and choking our lungs. So this particular can be measured at 4.5 IL for the body level. If you are getting 2 dip, that means it is NAID 03. But I'm not going to be giving, we are not understanding what is 03, what is 01, 02. But just for the sake of information, this is a very dangerous coronavirus. At 4.5 IL, you can measure inside the body. And at 6.9 IL, you can measure in the environment around you. With one dip, if you get one dip at 6.9 SL with an acoustic switch, that means there is a virus around your home, around your surrounding. Clean it or wear a mask and don't touch things. Okay, this is for 03. 02 is another. 02 is less dangerous but very critical. It lets you, it affects your liver, and then when a lung is not properly functioning, 03 affects the cardiac. You get a cardiac arrest. But in 02, you get a problem in your liver, and then ultimately there is a cardiac arrest because a person dies, so the heart stops breathing. But it works on the liver part. 4.5 same frequency, 3 dips. 6.9 same frequency, 2 dips. Okay, so try to understand, note this function down. I'll be sending you we're recording it and we'll put it on the YouTube, you can see it again. But if you're noting it down, note down 4.5 and 6.9 are the basic frequencies to understand corona and COVID virus using S3 Gold Laker antenna. Okay, and when you are talking about SL, use acoustic switch. Okay, this is another very strong virus. It diminishes your senses. This is one. It doesn't let you smell, doesn't let you taste. This is the taste and smell number one. The first thing which came long back and still existing. The first trend of corona. And this is 2 dip and 3 dip. Again, frequencies are seen. So you can use this. You can use these frequencies, go around in your house, in your neighborhood, And also, if you have a instinct to do research, wear a PPE kit and go to the corona affected areas and see if this works or not. Because you know the corona is there, people are getting affected. But check it with your PPE kit, protect yourself first and then go. Otherwise, don't do this experiment if you are afraid and if you don't have proper resources to do. And this is not a medicine. This is just a detection and understanding. If you get corona and anybody of you has a virus inside your body, you have to follow the medical protocols. Don't ignore alternative and other health protocols or supplements are not going to save you from corona. It is going to give you immunity to fight. You can fight for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 5 day, 10 day. But if you don't take a proper medicine, proper steroid, the proper system which corona protocol has been given by the WHO or a lot of doctors, intelligent doctors, follow them also. That is most important. Okay. So I'm also going to give you something new today. As I've told you, we talked about brains. I have noted down because this is part of my research. I'm doing research since a couple of weeks on certain things which I don't find any answer. So I'm trying to go into the brain. I have a small issue in my mind, and I was not happy understanding that what is happening to me and why this is happening to me. And when I started going into that realm of consciousness and brain and trying to see the Mati is the Mati Gyan. In Jainism, which we talk, we have three basic Gyans, which I have known, and it is called a Mithya Gyan. Mithya means something which is there. Mithya is something which you don't have an answer, but we know it is a Gyan, it is a knowledge. So first is the Mati Gyan related to brain. Second is the Shrut Gyan, which is related to the sound and the vibration and a text or documentation or the manuscripts or a bhasha language. When there is a language, it is called Shrut Gyan. When there is no language, only thought and thinking and conceiving, it is called Mati Gyan. And when a person, and that's what I'm working on, and I would like you also, all of you, to join me in creating something called Vishisht Mati Gyan. That means extraordinary senses of the mind, and that is where I am taking you today. How your brain can think something which is not tangible, how you can intuit well, how you have extrasensory perception, how you do close your eyes and still get the information. How can you feel resisthesia? These are all called Visishtamati Gyan when you have an extraordinary power of your mind. Okay, so 13.3, amazing frequency of consciousness, intellect, and it is simple. It is the conscious mind which has the memories and feeling. If you put 13.3 S R I C whatever you want, and you find out that you will get a understanding of consciousness. 3.3 SR with acoustic switch is awakening. If a person is awake, if you have a vibration of 3.3 and you're getting 2 dips, that means the person is awake, understand, and he is going to do a lot of good things. 7.4 is the acoustic vibration of sound, which again you cannot see. So these are all mental perception, how your brain listen to this vibration, and with the frequency of S3 code retina, you can decode it. So somebody who doesn't have a sound vibration, they don't know how to feel the sound, check their 7.4 will be off or left polarity because they don't have a perception of sound. And somebody who is not awake, 3.3 S will be L, left polarity. Okay, so L and R is what you know about it. Next is 8.2 with alertness, mental state of attention, sensory awareness. You understand the danger and emergency. You perceive it fast. You act fast. 8.2 is your on. 8.2 above 3 is wonderful. People who are into police and people who are pilots who need to have the amazing instinct. They need to have 8.2 strong. 6.8 is Ankh. Ankh is the spatial shape. I have an Ankh with me. I bought it from Egypt. This is an Ankh. You can see this Ankh. This Ankh is something which you gives the power, which is the material aspect of cosmic understanding of brain. The pharaohs used to give it in the Greece, and our people in India used to give it with our hand, which we call Ashirvad. Okay, these are all vibrations. These are all strength of power giving to somebody else. Okay, you're getting me? I'm sure everybody is getting me. If there is a confusion, if there is some kind of question, write it down and we can answer in a later stage. Okay, now the next is the next part is we are talking about something which we called 11.1, which is morphogenic attachment. Now, morphogenic attachment is something which is there in the environment, which is there, which is a part of genetical information, which is 11.1. It can be capacitive. Most of the time, it is capacitive because it cannot be in the body. It is environmental, but you can understand the value of morphogenic. Somebody has left, or somebody has given any curse, or somebody has given a amazing positive vibration, mystical good things to you, praised you. The absorption is the environment absorbed it. And with 11.1, you can actually check it. And with 11.1, you can see, is it a positive right or left polarity? So this is something unique which I try to see in areas where people are sitting, the sadhu, sant, where you have ashram, where people are giving spiritual thing, or in a mandir where you do aarti every night, or go to Tirupati, go to Kedarnath, go to bigger places, and you can measure that 11.1 is very strong. Okay, 5.8 is seizure attack. Seizure attack is something where your body, your brain comes into the center. See, when you die, what happens? When a person is getting a seizure attack, his prakash, his energies start coming to the center. So when you are vibrating, your energies are going out. But when you are not vibrating, when you are going to be dying, or there is attack, or the energies are to be, it is like switching off the lantern. So when you switch off the lantern, what happens? Whenever you switch off a lantern, slowly the light start diminishing. And when the light which is which is so big, when you stop the lantern, the light comes into the center, and the prakash starts slowly become, and that prakash becomes andhakar. And when it becomes andhakar, when there is a darkness in the center, that means the body has lost the strength of giving light, and that is where your atma wants another body, and you go away. That is 5.2. 6.3 is neurodegenerative conditions when the brain is in weakness, and 6.3 is the vibration. I'm trying to give you some information about your brain, good and bad. 4.8 is the brain syndrome. 1 is the angel, crown chakra. Whenever you want to measure the vibration of spirit enlightenment, wisdom, universal consciousness, and one is the amazing frequency, which is on the top, right on the top of the antenna. And one is the angel of crown. And if you put an acoustic switch with it, you start getting information of something which is angelic, which is oracle, which is something extraordinary. Then you have another chakra. 13.5 is for forehead, Hara, your angel, center of wisdom. 5.85 is charging with mental energy. Sometimes you need to connect yourself with the ability to perform cognitive tasks in daily life. And you need to get, your children should have wonderful 5.85. And sometimes when you feel depressed, again, fear psychosis. You're reading in the newspaper, somebody dies, 20 died, 40 died, there is no oxygen, there are so many cases around your house. Your society has been put with the COVID, what you call, area where nobody is allowed. You seal the society, nobody is allowed to go out and come out, and you feel so weakness. At the time, you need to have mental energy strong. Charge it with 4.85, 5.85. You can use this to charge the mental energy. And charging can be done in a specific way. We'll tell you about it. Okay. 3.5. Communication with the animal. Sometimes we need to. Somebody is ringing. Please switch off all your mics. Communication with animal. You have pets. You want to connect with them. 3.5. Again, it's a mental perception. It's mind which is working. Dowsing ability. Everybody who uses 12 S3 gold acre antenna or a pendulum or any other antenna or dowsing rod should have 12.6, at least 2 dips. 3 is the best. You see if your S3 gold antenna not working. Why? Because your dowsing ability has gone down. And if it has gone down, talk to me. I'll tell you how to increase it. Okay. So check with 12.5. It is giving you a left polarity dip. That means your dowsing ability is more. Or if you cannot dowse your own self, ask your friend to come and help you and check your dowsing, because you don't know how to dowse. So somebody who is nearby, or you connect with me online, I can check it online for you why your dowsing ability is on, and then we can bring it up. 12.6 is amazing frequency which everybody should know. So if you have two people who have S3 gold antenna in a family like Arwa and Adil, you can check each other. Try to see why housing ability, whose housing ability is good and why how it is working back. Kapoor Saab can check with the daughter if, if both of them are in the same place. So something like this is possible. 3.9 is the dreams. Dreams are amazing. Everybody should dream. Dream gives you the vibration to visualize. It gives you an amazing feeling of connecting to the outer world. Everybody dreams, and dream is something extraordinary. 3.9 is wonderful. People who don't dream needs to dream, and there is a process to talk about. 7.9 is the worst and the most negative brain understanding, which is at inductive and left polarity for the body. It is ego. Ego is disaster. Ego can kill you. Ego can break the relationship. Ego can break homes. So think about it. If there is a problem, check ego with 7.9 IL. And if it is IL, then you need solutions. We are talking about solutions after some time. 5.9 is energy, the mental, spiritual. People who have that instinct of going to the temple and who has the mental vibration. 5.9 is very good. Again, if we talk about Holy Grail, it is the in Jainism which we touch the water and put in our eyes, and in Dhoop and Agarbatti, these are all our elements and substances for talking about connecting to the Almighty God. So we take prasad, we take aarti ka ash, we put aarti, we put three things here, the South Indians. So these are all related to Holy Grail, and they are substances for infinite abundance. Okay, then we talk about sacred grooves, we talk about areas where we actually, sit and get the vibration of the plants, and that is also a mental strength. Every groove is sacred, but there are certain grooves which we find so strong, this can be measured at a particular frequency. 4.3 is energy of people. There are two 3.3 is immune, your mental strength. Fight with the energies. 3.3 is very important. 13.8 is same. People who are suffering from COVID and people who have people around them who there is a chance of getting COVID in coronavirus, make your 3.3 strong. Understand that your mental immune is more stronger than your physical immune, because as far as I have seen, 90% of people who are suffering from corona, who has gone to the ICUs and suffered heavy pressure or heavy pain, have weak immune of mind, not the physical body. Their immunity of mind was so bad that looking into the doctor, going into the ICU, getting into that physical understanding of that you have got corona, people have already dead. Just getting a corona. They are not fighting, they need to fight out. And the mental immune is very strong. We can check it with the C energy around you who can correct. And then there are tools to improve the mental immune. 10.2 is inner voice, something extraordinary. Voice inside your head, inner voice. You will need acoustic switch, but this is something which if you can decode, you are a wonderful dowser, because inner voice can give you a lot of answers, and that we need to work on. Life energy is 3.5, mental power, nerve force, nervous system, oracle. Oracle at a place. If you want to bring in the oracle power in your house, 4.25 is the frequency. Make your house energized with oracle power. Use these tools which we have in our kitty, in our office, and then increase the oracle. You will find that 4.2 is present in your house. And when 4.2 is present, then there is no issues of having any problems, because your oracle takes care of the vibration. Peace with God, 8.7.75. 12 and 12.3 is spiritual purity. Psychotherapy, if you want to become a psychotherapist, you want to understand the mental issues of people, increase your 6. And then it comes to the self and consciousness, increase your 3. See, check your 3, check your 6, check your 12. Try to see where the purity is and which corner of the house. Use C capacitive and go with your antenna. Go to that particular house and see where you are getting C, 3 and 6 and 12.3. That is a place you need to sit more and meditate and do your yoga or do your dhyan or use your S3 golden tea. Again, there are certain other frequencies. I'm not going to go into detail because time is passing off fast. 6.3 is sensitive, 5.3 is soul, 6.6 is spell magic, spine now, sweetness of life. Thanks and gratitude, 13.10, very good, very important. Well-being, 7.1, wisdom is 4.9. Okay, 9. These are some of the frequencies. And these frequencies, these vibrations can help bring in the positivity in your home, but your homes require certain solutions to bring harmony in life, love, relationship, and health. And we have solutions for it. So we have specific health vitalizers. You need to put it in your home, get the energy resonate, and then increase your psychic strength. So there are health vitalizers like black box receptor, labyrinth. I'm not going to go into detail, but these are tools you have to put in. They are just off the shelf. You don't need an extraordinary knowledge of Vastu or a consultancy. You just take them, put it in the room. It is going to absorb all the negativity. Labyrinth is going to create a shield around you. It's for personal. Amazing tool, entangled emotional liberator. This is going to release repressed emotions, unlock tied up strings, opens up opportunity. You are blocked. Your people are not letting you flow. You want to fly. You want to go here and there. You want to grow, and everybody is pulling you down. No, you cannot do this. Don't take this risk. There is corona. There is this fear psychosis. Entangle emotional liberator is going to liberate, gives you strength to go away. And if you have to go away, and if you have to get out of this universe, you should. Nobody should find you, because that's the time you need to leave. You have done your job. And if you want to leave this house to go to the other house, if you want to leave a partnership and go to another partner, then also this helps you, because the stagnation, the tie string is not healthy, because it is unhealthy string. Unlock it. Infinity biosymbol, amazing product. It increases immunity. It increases the strength to fight with the negativity, and you fight till the last day. Sometimes you surrender, because our body is physical body. Sometimes you, in spite of having all these resources, you surrender, and then Almighty calls you because He loves you more. You're not supposed to be in this universe. But then don't stop trying. You don't know when is your last day. When are you going to go? But till the time you go, you be happy, you and do things your way, and use the immunity to not let you suffer till the last day. That is infinity biosim. Earth cosmic loop. You have 6 spirals, 8 spiral, 9 spiral. People sensitive toward curse and feeling of being possessed, they need 9 spiral. Increase concentration and focus in business, they need 8 spiral. Increase confidence and decrease self-doubt. Wonderful for corona. 6 is very important for people who are suffering and they have a capacity and inability to absorb negativity and make fearful. Oh God, corona aa raha, abhi kya hoga? News mein dekh rahe hain, politically they are strengthening what government is doing, they are not doing. They are always talking negative. People who have the self-doubt and inner less confidence, they need 6 loop. Keep them around their bed, keep them in their office next to them. So the confidence grows up and they start thinking positive. Metal water is gyrating energizer. Again, a very strong tool to create, remove the anxiety and worriedness. This is all helpful in your health, and this is wonderful tool. You can measure with 6.4. You can measure with cosmic global telluric frequencies with S3 gold laker antenna and see where to put it and how it affects you. DNA spiral another, and there is another thing which we have now created. It is kept somewhere in my table, around my table also, where I keep it always. It is a very small tool, infinity biosymbol for car, but I keep it next to my computer as well, because it has the information to create a very small shielding effect around you, so that all these electromagnetic vibration, negative information, mobile tower, Wi-Fi things doesn't affect you. Definitely you will be using Wi-Fi, but it doesn't affect you much. And that's what we are trying to do with these products. And these products are working and people are getting results. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you today. Thanks for joining me. Thanks from Vastu World team, Vastu World. I thank Vrushali madam and Omkar for creating such a wonderful environment, and around 70-80 people have joined us today. I'm happy, and now I'm there to answer your queries in a brief way. And if there is detail you want, then you call me personally, WhatsApp me, and we can connect in detail for different frequencies if you have questions. But in brief, I can answer some.
Mayank, Ashok Sachdev here. I wanted to ask you, you spoke about 5.85 for chargings. How do you do that?
Yes, so there
Self-charging
is a process.
with the antenna,
Yes, so
S3.
with the antenna, we don't charge. See, this antenna doesn't work as a charging, but we create an energy field around it. So this will require some time to explain. So we should talk personally, Ashokji. I'll explain you
Okay.
how this antenna is only detecting. It doesn't charge, it doesn't communicate, but it unfolds the vibration of the environment, because when you dip into the environment of electromagnetic radiation, when you are going into the water, you create ripples. So it is like throwing a stone in the sea or a lake. You create ripples. You are not actually creating ripples. You are trying to intrude and try to see what is happening. But in the process, you create a ripple. Okay. So I tell you,
Okay.
we talk about it in length, Shokji.
Yeah, I think that would be interesting.
Absolutely.
Mayank ji,
Yes.
how with the H3 gold antenna can we use as a remedial measure for the COVID? Because in the subject meeting we have mentioned learn to correct the pandemic vibrations. So can you throw the light on this subject, please?
Yes, that's what I told you throughout. All the product which I just showed you, including these, what you just saw, these are all for increasing the immunity and health.
No,
You
I'm
need to keep
speaking
it
about
in your,
especially for the COVID,
this is
especially for
for
the
COVID.
COVID.
See, what is COVID? What is COVID? COVID is in your mind. There is no COVID. There is no virus. It is affecting your head. You get COVID every day. You get cough. You get all the viruses. COVID is a very small virus. And these viruses are there since existence, since your 1,000 years. What is happening is disturbing your mind, disturbing your immunity. We are getting psycho fear psychosis is happening in our head, and that is what I wanted to talk today. And when you put these remedies and put these solutions around, what you do is you increase your mental strength to not listen to unwanted things. You stop looking into news, you stop looking into what is happening around the world, you will be the most happy. But you cannot, because we live in a society and community. So make your brain strong, and that is what psycho understanding is. And for COVID, you need to become yourself very strong. And if you are strong, nothing is going to trouble you.
No, I will just interrupt you on that. I think he is
Sorry,
not
sir.
very clear.
Mayank
Sir,
ji, somebody
Mayank
to
had mentioned
hospitalize
that
around the
frequency of 3.3,
Just a minute,
frequency of
Ashok ji, koi bol raha hai.
3.3 and 13.8 for increasing, for checking the mental strength. If the mental
Yes,
strength is less, then you need to take care of you from COVID. If your mental strength is
absolutely,
strong, you won't get affected. That is what Mayank
absolutely,
is trying to say. Am I right, sir?
absolutely. Yes, absolutely right, Ashok.
Yeah.
This is what the whole
Please check with
whole
3.3. Please check.
absolutely. 13.8 and 3.3. You're right.
Yeah,
Mayank sir,
yeah. Right.
if somebody is
Yes.
hospitalized, is on ventilator in the hospital, what we can do with the this antenna to cure him? What kind of a vibrations can be created? If somebody is
Again,
hospitalized,
you're not understanding. Antenna doesn't create a vibration, it measures the vibration. These products care the vibration. These products are important. You need to keep it in the hospital or a ventilator person. The antenna is going to detect, and detection is the correction. अगर डॉक्टर डायग्नोसिस वेल करता है तो सोल्यूशन बहुत इजी है. 90% कोरोना जो डेथ हो रही है वो डॉक्टर डायग्नोस ही नहीं कर पा रहा है. बीमार हो रहे हैं लोग, उनको मालूम ही नहीं कौन सी दवाई देनी. और अगर लोगों ने हार मान ली है तो कोई भी दवाई काम नहीं करेगी. So in
तो
the
सर हम क्या
hospital you don't
करें?
have to.
What are the sequential steps you
आप मेरे से अलग
recommend?
से बात करिए. आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, आप मेरे से अलग से बात करिए. मैं वही चीज बोल रहा हूँ, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आप उस बंदे का स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाइए और चेक करिए कि कैसे स्ट्रेंथ कम हुई है. ओके, हम डॉक्टर नहीं है, हम दवाई नहीं दे रहे कोरोना की.
नहीं सर, मैं आप जरा यहाँ पर गाइड करेंगे तो एक इंटरेक्शन होगी, सबको मालूम
हाँ बोलिए,
पड़ेगा कि
बोलिए.
इससे हमने मेजरमेंट तो कर दिया, तो इसमें आगे का रास्ता क्या?
वही तो आपको अशोक जी ने बताया अभी. देखिए, आपके पास S3 गोल्ड एंटीना है नहीं, आपको अभी सिस्टम मालूम नहीं है. आप प्रोसेस को जानिए पहले, फिर आपको समझ में आएगा. जैसे अशोक जी ने अभी क्या बताया कि 3.3 और 13.8 आप जो पेशेंट है कोरोना का उसका चेक करिए. अगर उसकी माइंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी कमजोर है तो कोरोना का वेंटिलेटर उसको ज्यादा टाइम तक लगने की जरूरत है. और if 13.8 and 3.3 is strong, moving in a very strong way, you are getting 2 or 3 dip in R, right polarity. That means that person who is in the hospital with the corona and with the ventilator will fight it back. Are you getting me? So it's just a check. And if you think it is not right and you are not getting right polarity, you are getting a left polarity, then increase the strength of the mind to fight with the corona, you need to put certain solutions and remedies. Okay?
Okay.
That product is there, no, of Spiral and
Biosymbol.
yeah, Biosymbol. So use that; it will work. It helps.
6 Spiral.
Bioinfinity.
And sir, I have a doubt. This is Rupa. I just have a doubt on the issue what you have said. 12.30. It is for a spiritual place to check at home.
Yes.
Then in that case, 12.30 it should be CR.
Yes, always CR. Spiritual positivity is always R. It cannot be L.
Okay, it should be C, right?
Yes, C.
Capacity.
Yes.
Okay.
तो मयंक दैट मींस 13.8 पे CL नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? डिप्स नहीं आना चाहिए.
नहीं आना चाहिए. नहीं आ ही नहीं सकता.
माइंड के लिए अगर 13.8 CL आया तो मतलब दोस्तों उसकी माइंड स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है.
नहीं है. You're right.
सर कैन आई आस्क अ क्वेश्चन सर?
बोलिए, कुछ बोल रहे हैं आप?
हाँ सर ये एक बार थोड़ा फिर से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे ये जो हिस्ट्री गोल्ड एंटीना में राइट पोलरिटी और लेफ्ट पोलरिटी क्या है?
राइट पोलरिटी जब कोई पॉजिटिव चीज होती है जो हमारी बॉडी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रही है और हम उससे समझ पाते हैं, जैसे आप बोलते हैं अच्छी चीज, फायदेमंद चीज, मेरे लिए कुछ फायदा कर रही है, समथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी गुड, देन इट ऑलवेज गिव यू डिप. दिस इज द डिप व्हिच यू गेट ऑन व्हेन यू हैव अ राइट. ये स्विच राइट पे है और आपको डिप आ रहा है, मतलब जो भी आप मेजर कर रहे हो दैट इज गुड एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग R and you are getting it on L, that means it is not beneficial. Okay?
तो ये जब डायग्नोज करेंगे ये राइट और लेफ्ट ऑटोमेटिकली दिखाएगा?
नहीं दिखाएगा. आपको पहले U पे करना है. U पे आप चेक करेंगे वाइब्रेशन आ रहा है कि नहीं, फिर आप ये स्विच चेंज करेंगे हाथ से. आप स्विच करके फिर डिप लेंगे. अगर डिप नहीं आ रहा है L पे, दैट मींस लेफ्ट नहीं है. फिर R पे जाएंगे. देखिए कोई भी वाइब्रेशन या तो L पे या R पे आएगी ही, या तो अच्छी है या बुरी है. तो दोनों में से एक आएगा. ओके?
तो पूछिए जे सीमा
सेल्फ डायग्नोज कर सकते हैं?
सॉरी,
पुन्हा चाले पूछू पड़े.
सेल्फ डायग्नोज कर सकते हैं?
उधर है
आवाज नहीं आ रही. कोई बोल रहा है पीछे. विजय शाह.
हाँ कोई बीच में आवाज आ रहा है. सेल्फ डायग्नोज कर सकते हैं इसमें?
सेल्फ नहीं कर सकते. सेल्फ डायग्नोज नहीं कर सकते. यू नीड समबडी.
ओके, तो ये हम फैमिली का कर सकते हैं लेकिन अपना खुद का नहीं कर सकते.
और आपके बच्चों
और
को
अपने
सिखा
घर का कर
दीजिए.
सकते हैं.
हाँ, आपके बच्चों को सिखा दीजिए, वो आपका कर लेंगे. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग.
ओके, अपने घर का भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग.
यस यस डेफिनेटली.
सर ये जो वेरियस जो फ्रीक्वेंसीज वगैरह है ये मीन कैसे डिसाइड हुई है कि इस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे ये करना है? पहले से रिसर्च है इस पे?
यस, ये डॉक्टर हमारे जो इसके S3 गोल्ड एंटीना के 3 इन्वेंटर्स हैं. 2 ऑफ देम आर जर्मनी, 1 इज इन स्विट्जरलैंड. इन लोगों ने 60 साल पहले रिसर्च करी थी. एक बड़ा सारा मशीन आता है फ्रीक्वेंसी जनरेटर. उस फ्रीक्वेंसी जनरेटर में देखिए ये जो S3 गोल्ड एंटीना है ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पीसीबी है. इसको मैं निकालता हूं ना अगर इधर से, तो आप देखेंगे ये यहाँ पे सर्किट बोर्ड है. ये सर्किट बोर्ड है. इसमें यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट लगता है, यहाँ पे लगता है, तो वो साइन कर्व दिखता है, मूवमेंट. और जैसे ही मैं ये कर्सर को आगे पीछे करता हूँ वो फ्रीक्वेंसी जनरेट होती है. यहाँ पे अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल लगा दिया आपने तो फ्रीक्वेंसी जनरेटर पे ये रख के इन्होंने इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्यून की है. और ये बीच में जो है वो गोल्ड है. दिस इज गोल्ड. सो दिस गोल्ड डजंट ट्रांसफॉर्म इन कोल्ड और हॉट क्लाइमेट, इसलिए एक्चुअल गोल्ड है. इसलिए इसको S3 गोल्ड एंटीना कहते हैं. तो इसका कर्सर कभी चेंज नहीं होता, क्योंकि ये अगर चेंज हो गया तो फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज हो जाएगी। तो बाकी जो दूसरे एंटीना आपको बाजार में मिल रहे हैं उसमें लोहा है, एल्यूमिनियम है, वो ठंड में सिकुड़ जाता है, गर्मी में फैल जाता है, तो उसमें राइट नहीं आता है। इसलिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है, सर्किट बोर्ड पे बना है। ओके, so this has been researched by scientists and instrumentation scientists and architects in Germany and France.
इसको
Okay.
सर डे वन से हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, इससे पहले कुछ इसकी मतलब ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ती है या फर्स्ट डे से रिजल्ट दे देता है?
थोड़ा सा तो समझना पड़ेगा। आप पहले दिन से गिटार अगर बजाएंगे तो म्यूजिक नहीं बजा सकते आप। इट इज लाइक प्लेइंग अ गिटार, यू नीड टू ट्यून योरसेल्फ, यू नीड सम टाइम, बट एक बार अगर आ गया तो फिर कोई भी गाना गा सकते हो आप गिटार में। ये एक बार का प्रोसेस है और हम लोग सिखाते हैं। हमने इसके ऑनलाइन वीडियोस बनाए हुए हैं और वीडियोस 3 घंटे 4 घंटे के जहाँ मैंने एक एक चीज समझाई है, और उसके बाद अगर नहीं हो पाए तो 1-to-1 में आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ टू यूज इट। इट इज नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस। आई थिंक अराउंड 20-30-100 पीपल अभी जितने लोग हैं उसमें से 70% इसको यूज कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी।
एक सर एक्मोस एंटीना कुछ बीच में सुनने को आता है, दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है सर? एक्मोस और
गोल्ड एंटीना है, ये हाईली सेंसिटिव है, नहीं होता है, क्लाइमेट चेंज नहीं होता है। एक्मोस एंटीना में मेटल है, मेटल चेंज कर लेता है। एक्मोस एंटीना भी अच्छा है बट उसमें ज्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, उसकी सेंसिटिविटी इससे कम है। सो दिस इज द मोस्ट एडवांस। सो देयर इज नथिंग गुड एंड बैड। आई डोंट से कि एक्मोस इज रॉन्ग, बट ये आर्किटेक्ट ने बनाया है तो वास्तु के लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। और एक्मोस एंटीना एक डॉक्टर ने बनाया, डॉक्टर प्रकाशियन, वो हेल्थ की बात करते हैं। अगर आप हीलिंग के लिए काम कर रहे हैं तो मे बी S3 गोल्ड एंटीना से बेटर आपके लिए एक्मोस है। ये दोनों जगह काम करता है। दिस हेल्प्स यू इन ह्यूमन बॉडी एनर्जीज एंड आल्सो एनवायरमेंटल एंड जियोपैथी। जियोपैथी के लिए इससे अच्छा टूल वर्ल्ड में कोई नहीं है।
सर ये डिवाइस जो है हीलिंग भी करता है, हीलिंग के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं?
यस, हीलिंग के लिए यूज हो सकता है। ये हीलिंग के लिए बड़ी तरीके अच्छी तरीके से यूज हो सकता है और बहुत सारे लोग उसको हीलिंग में यूज करते हैं बॉडी के लिए। एनीथिंग डॉक्टर क्विंटिन वांट्स टू से? योर माइक इज ओपन, डॉक्टर क्विंटिन। Okay, good. So I think we should off the session now, and if there are some questions here on the chat box, Vishali madam, do you want to see? So we take a leave and gives you all the blessings and give you all the help.
I have addressed the session. Sorry, I addressed the questions on the session.
Okay.
Chat box.
Perfect. So everything is good, and I give you all the positive energies and vibration from my side, and you should also give each other. We are all part of this universal consciousness. We should all have a positive brain, think wise, stay at home, but always be positive and don't get yourself carried away by this pandemic psycho fear or this psychodynamic vibration which is creating fear psychosis in your head. So डरिए मत। दुनिया में जो चीज अच्छी है उसको भगवान जल्दी बुला लेता है। जिसको जाना है हम रोक नहीं सकते और जिसको रहना है वो रुकेगा। वाइब्रेशंस को समझिए, कोशिश करिए कि हम सब स्वस्थ रहें, हेल्दी रहें, हैप्पी रहें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.